Globally, approximately 55.5 million people smoke cigarettes every minute. About 9,513 packs of cigarettes are produced continuously every second. And each pack of cigarettes you're familiar with contains at least two main parts: the outer packaging and the cigarette sticks, which are made up of 9 intricate components. Each of these components plays its unique role and function. Next, follow along with our video as we systematically explore the structure of a cigarette. We'll start by talking about the outer packaging of the cigarette. First, let's introduce the first component, which is also key to opening a pack of cigarettes: the tear tape. The tear tape works like the zipper of a cigarette's tear tape, making it easy for us to open the packaging. The upper half of the cigarette pack is typically designed with a semicircular pull tab, which is the tear tape. By gently pulling this tab that wraps around the pack, you can easily open the cigarette package. The tear tape is usually transparent, but some brands print designs on it for aesthetic purposes. Therefore, we can also see tear tapes in gold or silver, as well as more intricate laser-printed designs. These features not only enhance the packaging's visual appeal, but also serve to make it more eye-catching and improve anti-counterfeiting measures. By pulling the tear tape, you reveal the second component of the cigarette's outer packaging: the tobacco film. The primary function of the film is moisture resistance, extending the shelf life of the cigarettes. The commonly used film material is BOPP, biaxially oriented polypropylene, which is typically clear. Some premium cigarette brands utilize laser holographic anti-counterfeit films or foil stamping, which not only enhance the anti-counterfeiting features, but also add a touch of sophistication and beauty to the product. In recent years, as the awareness of environmental protection continues to grow among governments and consumers, a new eco-friendly material PLA film has emerged. Compared to traditional non-biodegradable BOPP film, PLA film is made from bio-based materials, offering significant characteristics such as complete biodegradability, low carbon emissions, and environmental friendliness. Moreover, PLA film can fully replace traditional film in the functional application of tobacco products, meeting industry demands. After opening the film, the next component we encounter is the cigarette wrapper, also known as the cigarette branding paper. This is the main packaging container for cigarettes, and its primary function is to protect the cigarettes, ensuring they do not get damaged due to compression during transport or handling. Common types of wrappers include hard packs and soft packs. Soft packs have a more comfortable feel and are relatively cheaper, but in terms of protecting the cigarette sticks, their performance is slightly inferior to that of hard packs. While protecting the cigarette sticks, the paper wrapper also plays a crucial role in displaying key information such as the cigarette brand, name, and design. It serves not only as a tool for brand visual promotion, but also as an important carrier for conveying product information, anti-counterfeiting measures, and regulatory functions. Hence, it is also known as cigarette branding paper. On the wrapper of a modern pack of cigarettes, the following necessary information is typically printed: brand logo, product name, production date, health warnings, barcode, and the content levels of tar, carbon monoxide, and nicotine. This information is vital for consumers. Since the implementation of the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control in China in 2005, this convention mandates that cigarette packaging must prominently display the warning "smoking is harmful to health," covering 30% to 50% of the wrapper's surface area. Furthermore, there are specific requirements regarding the size, clarity, and visibility of the warning to ensure consumers are fully aware of the risks associated with smoking. In addition to text warnings, some countries and regions have adopted pictorial warnings, which typically showcase illustrations or images depicting the health hazards of smoking, delivering the dangers more intuitively and impactfully. The cigarette wrapper is an indispensable part of modern cigarettes. However, the high demand for printing on cigarette packaging often leads to the release of harmful substances from traditional chemical inks during the printing process, posing threats to both the environment and human health. To address this issue, a new printing method, ink-free printing technology, has emerged. The principle of ink-free printing is similar to the iridescent colors seen on butterfly wings and beetle shells in nature. By utilizing the interference effects of physical structures, it produces different colors from natural light. Patterns printed using this technology are not only clear, but also change in color depending on the angle of observation and light. This physical printing method is more environmentally friendly throughout the production and usage process, reducing its impact on the environment. The fourth component is the frame paper, which primarily functions to support and position the structure of the hard cigarette box. As a type of cardboard, it works in conjunction with the wrapper to provide extra protection for the cigarette sticks during distribution. In recent years, the decorative function of cigarette frame paper has gained more attention. Many tobacco companies opt for printed frame paper when developing new products, as it not only conveys information and promotes sales, but also effectively showcases brand identity and enhances market influence. The final component of the external packaging of cigarettes is the inner liner, which is located in the innermost layer, directly adjacent to the cigarette sticks. The primary function of the inner liner is to provide a certain level of moisture protection while helping to retain the aroma of the cigarettes, ensuring that the quality of the product is well maintained within the packaging. Traditional mainstream inner liner often contains aluminum and is predominantly gold or silver in color. In recent years, with the increasing awareness of environmental issues and the emphasis on sustainable development, aluminum-free lining paper has gradually come into the public eye. Aluminum-free inner liner not only reduces environmental pollution, but also meets the current market demand for green packaging materials. Traditional aluminum-containing inner liner uses an aluminum foil layer to block air and moisture, effectively preserving the aroma of the cigarettes. However, the metallic aluminum in this material is difficult to recycle and does not decompose naturally, leading to environmental pollution. In contrast, high-barrier aluminum-free inner liner employs a water-based coating layer to replace the aluminum foil layer, maintaining the original moisture-resistant and aroma-preserving functions while completely eliminating the use of metallic aluminum. This material is more environmentally friendly, easier to recycle, and aligns with national demands for green packaging materials, reflecting the concept of sustainable development. Burning tests showed that the metallic aluminum in aluminum inner liner does not fully combust, leaving behind residue. In contrast, aluminum-free inner liner is more flammable and nearly completely converts to ash upon burning, leaving no metallic residue. This characteristic gives aluminum-free inner liner a significant environmental advantage, as it reduces the harmful substances and environmental pollution that may arise from combustion. The inner lining paper, due to its moisture protection and aroma retention functions, is an indispensable part of modern cigarette packaging. However, its structure is not completely sealed. Because consumers open the packaging multiple times to access the cigarettes, the inner lining paper faces challenges in maintaining its moisture and aroma protection over time. To ensure the taste of each cigarette and meet customer needs in different regions and environments, some companies have developed a new packaging for moisture-preserving packaging. This packaging uses a pressure-sensitive label in conjunction with the inner liner, allowing for effective sealing even after repeated openings, thus ensuring that and keeping the original taste of the cigarettes. In summary, the 5 main components of cigarette outer packaging include the tear tape, film, wrapper, cigarette branding paper, frame paper, and inner liner. These components work together to protect the cigarettes, while also serving functions of brand promotion and information transmission.